Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way to save a Word document from Dropbox directly onto your device. Whether you want to have offline access or just need to keep a local copy, this updated method will get you there in no time. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all your files. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This section shows you everything you've uploaded or saved to Dropbox, including your Word documents. Next, scroll through your files until you find the Word document you want to save. When you spot the file, look to the right of its name. That's where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to bring up a menu of options. In this menu, you'll see several actions you can perform on the file. Look for the option labeled Save to Device and tap it. This will start the process of downloading the Word file directly to your phone. Once the download is complete, the file will be accessible right from your device's storage. You can find it in your phone's default downloads folder or in the location specified by your phone's settings. From here, you can open, edit, or share the document even if you don't have an internet connection. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've saved a Word document from Dropbox straight to your device. This simple step is perfect for those moments when you want to work offline or back up important files locally. Remember, keeping your documents on your device means you can quickly access them anytime without depending on a network connection. So next time you're in Dropbox and need that Word file handy, follow these easy steps to save it right to your phone. Thanks for watching, and happy file saving.